What is it, Josie? What is it? Josie, what is it?
I don't know.
No, what is this that? Where'd you get that? Who sent it to you?
Then Alyssa.
She did. What do you think's inside of it?
I don't know.
You have no idea?
No. Let
Not-
me open it.
What? Why don't you guess?
Let me open it first.
You don't have any guesses?
Hey, you want Baba? You want Baba?
No.
You want more?
No.
Do you like the packaging, Josie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I open it?
What are you doing, baby? Joe, you might have to let Jaden help you.
No, I don't know.
It might be hard. Oh, are you getting it? Oh my goodness. What is in there?
You only like put off the first layer.
What is in there, Fina? Careful, you don't want to hurt it. What is it?
It's my own Elsa dress.
Do you have an Elsa dress?
No.
No!
My own Elsa dress.
What are you telling Alyssa?
Thanks. I love it. It's too pretty for Journey.
It's too pretty for Journey.
It's mine. Only mine. You
Look-
have a different dress.
Look up here and tell Aunt Alyssa thank you.
Thank you.
Say love you.
Love you.
Blow kisses. Blow kisses, Josie.
Love you.